Good morning, friends. Sometimes overqualification may become a disqualification as decided by the Honorable Supreme Court of India, 3 judges bench, Sri Ashok Bhushan, M.R. Shah and Justice Subhash Reddy, while disposing the civil appeal number 3602 by 2020 in the case of Chief Manager, Punjab National Bank and another limited and another versus Amit Kumar Das. Actually, the Honorable Supreme Court of India dismissed the orders two orders given by the single judge bench and two judge division bench of the Odisha High Court. Now, let's know the facts of the case. Right. On 1/1/2016, the Punjab National Bank Human Resources Department, they have issued a press statement or an advertisement in the newspapers about the vacancy of the posts of peons in the bank. Right. So they sought applications for the post from the eligible candidates. You must know the eligibility. The eligibility is that they should have passed class 12 or equivalent examination. That means just like our intermediate examination. And they have very clearly stated that the graduates, the higher qualification people, they should not apply and they are not eligible. This is the condition imposed in the Act. That means people who have completed 10th class and who have not become graduates, they can only apply for the post. Now our great man, Mr. Amit Kumar Das, he has applied for the post with the class 12 qualification. Right? Okay. So he has appeared for the examination, he was got selected and his name is in the list of selected people allotted for some Balsar district. Right? So while the documents verification is going on, he has produced only the so-called up to 12th class certificates. But somehow the bank people came to know that he was graduated. He was a graduate. He has completed the graduation in 2014 itself. So they got the record and they have denied appointment to him. Right? So ultimately the bank refused to give appointment to him. Immediately he approached the Odisha High Court single judge bench and filed a writ petition stating that he has to be appointed or he has to be taken as a peon in the bank and the honorable single judge, basing on the precedents that overqualification need not be a disqualification. Higher qualification need not be a disqualification. So basing on that judgment, he directed the Punjab National Bank to continue him in the service of the bank as a peon. So agreed by the order of the single judge, then these people, Punjab National Bank people, they filed an appeal before the two judges bench. Of course, two judges bench also agreed with the opinion of the single judge and they stated, what is so great? After all, he is a graduate. You wanted class 12 people. He is a graduate. Some good person has been selected by you. Why don't you appoint him? Right? So like that, they also actually upheld the decision of the single judge bench. So agreed by this, once again, they have come to the Honorable Supreme Court, and yesterday the Honorable Supreme Court has given clear statement that the Honorable two High Courts had erred in determining the fact that suppression of the material facts is so dangerous. This is the thing. No doubt whether he is qualified, higher qualified, lower qualified is a different thing. A person suppressing the material facts and joining the department and getting a job is nothing but suppression of fact is more dangerous and it should not be allowed. Right? So thus the Supreme Court has quashed the two orders of the Odisha High Court. Right? So Supreme Court noted that a candidate who hides the important information or misinformation cannot claim to remain in service because it is nothing but cheating. It is also pointed out that the advertisement was clear that the candidate should not be a graduate. In this connection, I have to go back, maybe in the year 1979, I believe, 1979. The then Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Mr. Mari Channareddy, he visited a place called Darsi in Prakasham district and opened that Netherlands assisted program. At that time, some people, the press people, they have asked him, as regards the advertisement of police constables, you have fixed only the 10th class or SSLC as the maximum qualification. So there are already by that time, 1979, some graduates they wanted to apply. There are so many people, unemployment is there, why did you take graduate? Then he said, my dear friends, you may be knowing, certain cadre needs certain qualified persons only. Suppose if a graduate is selected as a constable, normally we keep graduation as the qualification for the sub-inspectors also. Then this constable will develop the rational thing. After all, SI is a graduate. I am also graduate. In what way? And they don't want to oblige his orders. Particularly in police and services, that means army, navy, the oral orders also have to be carried in. There should be some discipline. That is what is called subordination. They should hear. Unless it is there, the police department cannot thrive. Therefore, I am putting a cap. That means only class SSLC or SA people, they will be only taken as police constable. That is the rationale behind the fixing of the maximum qualification. Yes, already he has told during the year 1979. I was the escort officer for him. That's why I heard from very near close quarters, and when I heard this case, I reminded of that. Right now, the Supreme Court noted that Mr. Amit Kumar Das, he is the appellant, original petitioner, and he should have challenged the qualification. Right. So if he wanted to join the Punjab National Bank, yes, he should have challenged because there was a previously decided case by the Supreme Court. Yes, higher qualified people, they can get the employment provided they give information. Here the point is, he has suppressed the fact. He did not challenge the qualification. Instead of doing that, he had hidden the facts and applied for the job. Right? That means he deliberately concealed the information of his graduation. Of course, the High Court has taken a sympathetic view. That is nothing but error. The High Court has erred by directing the Punjab National Bank to continue his services as a peon. Right? So this is more important here. Supreme Court has come down heavily on the High Court also. You can show sympathetic attitude to some extent, but here the point is, Supreme Court, why so serious is that this man has hidden the facts. He has misrepresented the facts. He has hidden the fact that he was a graduate. So Supreme Court says, had he fought about the qualification, yes, why don't the graduates apply for the post of this peon? What is the harm? Yes, Supreme Court would have done some favor to him, but without doing the same, suppressing all the material facts are done. It's a bank, so much of cash, so much of transactions, so many letter of credit, so many things will be going on. So if such type of persons join the bank, we don't know what will happen. That's why they have taken very seriously and held that overqualification is a ground for disqualification. This is the heading given in the bar and bench. And anyway, it's a good case. Service matters. The advocates who are doing the service matters, they can go through this judgment and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you very much.